Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. But today, another very, very impressive movement, so definitely updates here need to be done. First thing, though, I'm going to do is just adjust this level upwards. Sure, the level down here at $10 pertains. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. So like I said, I'm going to just go ahead and adjust this level up to now what I would consider the newest area of ideal support, and that being right there at 1250. Now, when I say ideal, what do I mean is if you were to ask, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 1250, that green line, I mean, that would be a huge sign of power. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 1250, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1250 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? At this point in time, in my mind, it's all about that resistance trend line right there, so keep a close eye on that. But if the price can work its way up to there and then get a good high volume break of it, I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, but it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price then work its way up to $14, if not even higher than that. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume. Not just a question of can the price, build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.